Okay, I melted the 4 tablespoons of butter and I put in 2 eggs. I'm going to go ahead and mix this up and then add the dry ingredients. And then I'll put in a tablespoon or 2 of the vanilla. I don't know how wide the lens is in this thing, so we'll have to see how this works out. So I'm mixing up the wet ingredients, and then I'm going to go ahead and add the dry. And they're all really, whoops, dang it. They're all really well mixed up in there. And now it's also on my floor. Hold on for just a second while I clean this up. Okay. Then I just mix all the wet and dry ingredients together until I end up with a kind of dough. I'll add the vanilla after that point. Couple of tablespoons. Okay. I'm just showing you here the texture. It's sticking together really well. That's what we want. But at the same time, it's not it's not wet. It's just basically a big lump of dough. So I'm going to go ahead and take bits of this. By the way, this is what the apples look like now. So I take a couple of tablespoons, maybe 1 tablespoon, I don't really know. I'm more aiming for how much I'm filling up the little paper cup. So that's a little bit more than 2/3 full. I'm going to be aiming for about 2/3 full on all of these. I put a little bit much in there. I'll be taking some out. I'll come back when I have them all filled.